Hi, it's Karen again. I am making today a 0 point carrot habanero soup. It's very spicy, very delicious, and I'm also going to be making in a separate video a no-knead bread that goes with it, which is not exactly Weight Watchers, but the soup is 0 points, so you can splurge a little bit on the bread, but it's delicious. Anyway, this is really great if you have a cold. It's got a lot of vitamin C. It's very good and 0 points. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a tablespoon of olive oil into this pot. And this time I didn't have it measured out, so of course it's not open. This is why it's good to have it all measured out, I guess. So that's 1 tablespoon. And then we'll turn it on. Okay, so we'll let that heat up for a second, and then the next thing we're going to put in is I use my Cuisinart, but you can use whatever, chopped onion. So just a regular medium-sized onion. And put that in there, get that stuff going. Let me get a spatula. Make sure I get it all. Okay, so that's 1 medium onion. The next thing we're going to put in is, I think it's, what is it, 1 tablespoon, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. I also use the paste like I told you about previously. So we're just going to put that in like that. You can use 2 Habanero peppers if they're medium sized. These were small, so I used 4. And I like spicy, so yeah. Be really careful when you cut these up because they're going to make you cough, sneeze, whatever. And then the last thing is 4 cups of cut up peeled carrots. So throw that in there. Okay, and we'll stir that up a bit. And we're going to cook this for about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. And then we'll go from there. So I'll come back after this is cooked. Okay, I'm back. So this has been cooking for about 15 minutes. And so now we're going to finish it and cook it for another, I don't know, half hour about. So what we're going to put in next is we're going to put in 1 bay leaf. Okay. And then we're going to put in 1 box of 32-ounce chicken broth. Just put the whole thing in. Okay, I'll turn it up a little bit. Get it boiling. Make sure I got it all. Okay. And next we're going to put in 1 28-ounce can of whole peeled tomatoes. I should have all of that, and then we're just gonna simmer it for, I don't know, I really don't know. I'll have to let you know when I come back how long it takes to simmer it. So just let it cook down. Oh, and I don't know, this is about 1 or 2 tablespoons of parsley, whatever, and salt and pepper, of course. So let me do that. So that's all that you really have to do. I mean, it's going to cook, so we'll get it to boil and then put it on simmer. And then when we're done with that, we're going to stick blend it to puree it. So I'll show you how that's done and what it looks like when it's finished. All right, I will be back. Okay, so the soup is done cooking and I'm going to go ahead and use my stick blender to blend it up. So if you don't have a stick blender, you could use a Vitamix or a high-powered blender to do it. So this takes a few minutes and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And here is the finished product. You have the carrot soup and the bread. The bread is for 1/16 of a piece of bread of the whole loaf. It's 2 points and the soup is 0. So, and then if you use butter, you got to count that too. That's it. Bon appetit.